In this session, I will explain about the backstage view of Microsoft Word. The backstage view you will get when you select File option in the top left corner. If you click on File, automatically you will get backstage view. Here you can do file related options like saving your document and opening already existed documents and opening new document, and you can also see file related information. Okay, and if you want to get back to the MS Word editing area, here arrow key is there, click on that, you will get back. Once you edited your document, once you finished your editing, then you have to save your document. So directly here is the option in quick access toolbar to save your document. Need not to go for backstage view. Directly you can save here itself, and Ctrl S is the shortcut key for saving a file. CTRL, hold Ctrl plus S is the shortcut key, keyboard shortcut key to save your file. Or otherwise we have option also here, save. See, already I saved with MS Office, means already my document was saved with MS Office name. Suppose if you are selecting new document and edited newly, then you can save with your own name. For example, see, simply I am selecting blank document here. So in this you type something, and finally if you want to save, Ctrl S, or otherwise click here, or otherwise file save. Here also in backstage view also you can select save. All are similar. Okay, now I am selecting save. See, save. It is asking where you want to save. And see, I am going back. Here save option is there. Here also you can save with file name like this, and it is asking the location. Suppose if you want to save the document in cloud, means in OneDrive. OneDrive means directly, that is with your email, means Gmail. Suppose my Gmail is this one and it's asking OneDrive, OneDrive personal documents. It will save in the cloud. Cloud means in the net itself, not in your computer. If you want to save in your computer, here is the option general documents. So documents means here in the local disk, and give the name of the file. Suppose I am giving Word is the name of the file. See, the extension .docx is the extension for MS Word file. So every document you save by default will get automatically docx extension. Okay, now I am saving my document in the local disk itself, local computer. Save. If you want to save in cloud, you must have the internet connection and email ID like this, and then you can save into the cloud, means in the internet itself. So wherever you go, there also you can open. Suppose in Net Center also you can open your file, because it is already sit in the OneDrive. OneDrive means that is in the internet. not in your local computer. If you want to save your computer in local documents or some other location, if you want some other location, you can select more locations. See, in this PC, again it came to the backstage area. In this PC, where you want to save, in the local documents or in the desktop, it's asking multiple options. Or you can browse. Suppose I am selecting in the local documents. I am giving Word as the file name. See, in this PC, local documents, I saved this with the name Word. Save file type as Word document. Okay, saved. Now, see the title of the document Word here. And like this, suppose again if I type something, again I need to save. Okay, again I need to save. Then again you say Control S and it will not ask file name. Why? Because already file named with Word. You can use this option or you can use Control S or you can go for file save to save your file. Once already named means it will not ask for the name again. It will, when you are typing something extra, when you are doing extra activities in the already existed document, compulsorily you have to save. And in this latest version, we have auto save option also, but you must save this file in SharePoint or OneDrive through internet connection. Then only you can make it on. Keep in mind. Okay. I want to get new document. So go to backstage view. Here is the blank document. Or otherwise, we have new option here to get more options. Like we have more templates here also. So that also will give you the same option, new option. Instead of selecting a blank document directly, you can go for new, and we have already prepared templates here. Templates means samples of the different documents. For example, here blog post and essential letter. Like that, so many formats will be there. Origin letter, origin report. So you can select any one model. Suppose if you don't know how to prepare a letter, you can select any one of these letter types. For example, resume type is there. You can select resume. See, this is the model of the resume. In this resume, we have the title and objective and experience, skills, education and reference. You have to fill up these fields in your own, and then you have to save this one. Then it will ask the name. I will give resume. You can save not only in documents, wherever you need you can save that one. Suppose I want to save this document in some other location. We have different options, more options, this PC, or you can say browse. Where you want to save, it's asking. By default it will goes to the documents area. Where all the MS Word document will save by default, or otherwise I will save this some other location, suppose C colon and C drive. In C drive I am going to save suppose video, English and MS Office, and I am giving some name here, resume. Okay, you can save the file into the required location, not only in the my documents or documents. And we have number of templates here. See, we can search for number of templates which you want, you can select, or otherwise online also, in online also you can search, but you must have the internet connection. Suppose official letter I am giving, official letter. If your internet connection is on, you can search. You can search for the options or letters available, different letters available in the internet itself. Okay, I can search. See, start searching I am giving. But see, your internet request limited, timed out, it's giving like that. So that depends on the speed of the internet what we are using. Presently, I didn't connect it to the internet, just it is going to connect. Wait and see how it will be. Okay, meanwhile, I will go for back, and we have number of options like this. We can select, suppose, this kind of letter or chronological resume. See, different kinds of resumes will be there. Okay, you can select the model and you can edit that, and you can finally save, and you can take printout or you can submit through mail. Okay, now my internet connection connected. Now I am going to search for new one. Which model is not exist here? I am going to search for official letter. Okay, see, search. Searching thousands of online templates, and I am giving office letter. See, these are the models we have in office letters that is provided by the online, and you can create that one. See, this is the model downloaded from the internet. So like this, we can have number of models, we can search them, and we can use them, we can edit them. And see, here in backstage view, new, and we have number of categories here already. Categories, business types, and go to back, and we have cards, number of card types we have. Why? Because we can prepare cards like this, even visiting cards and some other cards models given by the predefined templates. I can select this particular model and I can say create. So then type your name and type something, all the details what you need, and finally you take printout. So number of cards, how many cards are there in this particular document? 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 cards will be in a single document. So like that you can prepare your own cards also. Okay, and Alt tab I am using. I am going to select another word. So once you prepared your document, you are saving your document. And see, I already saved with resume. And if you want to give another name to the same document, then you have to select save as option. Save as option. You can give another name. So you can save it in the desktop or in the documents or in the recent location where you saved your documents. Suppose I am saving this one with resume 2. You have to give another name. If the location is another location, you can keep the same name also, no problem. So here it is asking save as type. By default, you need to save to Word document. If you want to save to another format or suppose old formats, suppose 97 to 2003 Word means document means the format will be with extension DOC, not DOCX. After 2003, 2007 version MS Office onwards, the document became DOCX extension. If you want old version style, you can select this one. And if you want to select as web page, you can select as web page also. And we have other formats also to save. Even you can save this as PDF. PDF format also I can save from here itself. Save type as PDF I am giving and save. So the file saved as PDF. Okay, PDF means which cannot be editable. See, this is the PDF. Here you cannot type, you cannot do anything. So once you prepared your document means finally you can save the type as PDF to submit your resume or letter to others in the net or through mail. Okay, this is the best way. Why? Because the people cannot edit this one. You can finalize in the MS Word. Finally, you can save type as PDF. Once again, I will show another document. For example, this one I want to save as PDF. So I will select Ctrl S and more options. Now I will save it as documents type. Suppose vCards I am giving, and instead of Word document I will save it as PDF. Okay, save. See, it is opening in the Acrobat Reader, Adobe Acrobat Reader. You can take, the people can take printouts. They cannot edit when you shared your document, not document, your PDF. Already it turned into PDF. So like that you can save and save as, and you can also see the information of your document. Suppose I am opening the regular MS Office file. See, now go to file and select the info. Here you will get all the information related to the document. See this. What is the size of the file? How many pages are there in the document? How many words are there? And total time edited. Totally 303 minutes edited. And the title of the document you can change, you can type here itself the MS Word. This is only title, not the file name. And you can give comments, tags, and last modified, last created, yesterday, and it is giving all other information also. related to your document. So like that you can maintain your file in the backstage view. If you want to open already existed file, open is one option. Control O is the shortcut to that one. See, from here onwards I want to open already existed document. Control O. See, shortcut key that is. And if you want to open already recently prepared documents, these are the recently used documents. Suppose I am clicking resume. And if you want to open your file from some other location which is not in the list, then you can browse, not in the documents, you can browse. You can browse it from some other location where you have, suppose by default documents is the area where you saved your file, and in some other location also I can search. Suppose in C drive there is no document file, and suppose in this particular location I have some files. Suppose resume is there, I am opening this one. And like that you can open the file from the particular location where you saved your file, from the C drive or D drive, whatever it is. What are the drives you have, you can select that particular drive and you can search in the particular folder and you can open that. Okay, I am cancelling this one. And recent list you will get here, suppose ABC file. Nothing is there, something ABC. So, and if you want to close the current file, see, if you want to close this file, present file, file, close option is there. And it will goes to the next location, next file location. And suppose I want to close this file, file, close, closes the current file. And if you are having any changes, it will ask to save, and it will also asks if you didn't saved or named your file. See, I didn't named, just document 8 is there. I will give something like resume, RES something 3, save. Okay. And we have the options like this new, open, info, save as, and close. And remaining options what we have in the backstage we will cover in the coming sessions. Okay, get back to the document.